1, 2, 3. See, it happened! It happened! No, did you hear that? Dead ass. To be honest, to be honest, to be honest, to be honest, to be honest. No, 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 be No, please. Fuck off. Muted? Sorry. Okay, I'll do it. Okay. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, bro! Oh, shit! That was loud. No! Oh, I'm gonna be sick. I'm gonna throw up. Oh, Marty. To that person who said I was freaking faking it, by the way, I'm gonna have perfect form on this. And if you make fun of me, if you say I don't have perfect form, you're actually lying and you're actually coping and you're actually fucking projecting and you should feel bad about yourself. 1. What? And the first one, shut up! You're doing it on purpose? What do you want me to do? Where do you want me to put I'm putting pants on. I'm putting pants on. Where do you want me to put my ass? Where do you want me to put my ass? You want me to take it off for this? It's a jumping jack. It's not that hard. Because you don't have fucking huge, massive cake behind you and fucking double D titties. It doesn't, okay, whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? And I have pants on this time. Holy shit, spin that shit. Oh, shit. No, yes, no. Fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's whatever. It's like not that big of a deal. Easy, because I have my fucking pants on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, easy clap. Fuck me. Oh my god. Fine, it's cool. I love doing jumping jacks. I'm so excited. And I'm just gonna hold my boob with one hand while I do it. That's just an accommodation I'm making so that I don't make a clapping sound when I jump up and down, which, by the way, is probably sincerely against the terms of service. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This wheel's horny today. This wheel's not the only thing. Shit. Ooh, grabs my nuts. Sorry. Warm pickle, I would rather die. No! No! I've acquired the warm pickle, and it smells just as gross as I figured it would smell. Ready? Tell me if you guys can hear it. Gross. Oh my god. My skeleton wants to crawl out of my body. What's splurging? It's so juicy. Oh, I'm gonna be freaking sick. My eyeballs twitching. Oh, fuck. This is the last bite. Oh, fuck. Oh, why is this so wet?
Do not come.
Did you guys hear it? Who said the ushy gushy pickle-ussy? Spin that fucking wheel. Okay, so I'm gonna go get an ice cube now. Okay, I'm putting it in like the cleavage, I guess. I don't know where else to put it. Ooh. Oh, it's melting in 0.2s. It's giving me a weird twitch. It's melting in 0.52 seconds. Ah, why does it feel like that? What is this feeling? New kink unlocked. What is this? It's when it slides lower is the problem. It's when it slides lower, it gets wild and weird and wild. Holy shit! Okay, it kind of burns. I'm moving it. Holy fuck. Who said I'm hard? It's not fetish content, it's normal. It's just beep out the noises I'm making.
Well, Crelly just discovered ice play.
Fuck. Alright, cool. Whatever, see if I give a fart. I am assuming the position. Oh, I burped myself. I burped myself by getting on the ground. Oh, it's still happening. What's happening to me? pickle's coming up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ow! 5. Oh, fuck. Ow. Ow! That was my head! No, please, 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 please, no! I'm muting this so you listen to me eat my pickle again. There's nothing you can do to get away from my pickle. It squirted me. Oh, why did it squirt me? 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 Okay, I'll try the other end.
Vertical pickle.
It's squirting everywhere. It's just squirting everywhere. I don't know what's happening. Oh, gross. Why is it squirting? Can you guys hear it like squeaking against my teeth? Gross. Oh, yucky, dude. You're getting some pre-squirt? Ew! It has so much water! Stop! Why is it so wet? Stop squirting me! Stop squirting me! I'm fucking begging you, dude! Ugh. I'm gonna drown! I'm gonna drown! Oh, shit. Fuck! Okay, it's fine. I'm not actually upset. It's like, fine. I'm like chilling. Okay, here we go. 1, 2. Okay, well, that wasn't the jumping jack. That was the countdown. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. 4. Help me. Help me. 5. Help. Don't vomit on stream. Morty, we gotta go to my time machine, Morty. We gotta go to back in time. Oh, we gotta change something that happened in the current. Morty, to change what happens in the future. We gotta go back to the. We gotta go past the. We gotta go to the past. We gotta go to the past. We gotta change the alteration in time, Morty. We gotta meet aliens, Morty. We gotta. Who said it's pickle, Crelly? No, because the dead ass. I don't even care about the ring the spin anymore. Hey, your gut's cooked. Oh, fuck you. You don't know me. I got an iron gut. Your stomach's gonna hate you after stream? I'm gonna eat a fucking banquet of bland foods as to water down all the astringency that I've sickened upon it. That was the tube. Hold on, let me speak. That was the tube. I don't know if that caught on chat, like on the mic, but that was the tube of wasabi. Okay. Delete the VOD for the stream, honestly. Delete the VOD for the stream. I've been drunk. I've been sucking down wasabi, warm pickles, dog treats. Like, this has been a really bad stream. I need you guys to not hold this stream against me. Here we go. Please stop. Please. Please. Boy, am I excited. That's good shit. That's so good. I love how I have to drink it while I'm eating it. What's your recipe for the pickle? I poke it with a fork and then I put it in the microwave and I heat it up for like 8 to 15 seconds and still starts going at me and I go, whoa. Shoppy. How big are these pickles? They're like jumbo Vlasic pickles. Oh god. They're so delete the stream. Delete it. This VOD's not staying. I'm just letting you guys know this day's gonna be is not staying. This day fucking sucked. Oh my god, this VOD's so going fucking down. No, this is the worst day of the subathon so far. Clip the gnarly burp. Please don't. No, I don't want to pee.
Okay,
I don't
now
wanna
that's getting TOS.
No, please. Falky, please. Falky, please. Please, Falky, please. Please,
I wish I had a warm pickle that I could eat for you, but I don't have any.
Oh my god, it's so fucking nasty, dude. Like, it's so, like, soft and juicy. Oh, why are you slurping it? It sounds like you're enjoying it a little too much, honestly.
I'm gonna be sick. No,
Oh.
please. Please help me. Please help
Okay,
me.
the 0% physics is up, but you should keep it on for the pickle for these, like, 32. Oh, lordy. Whoa, Nelly. The way your model moves when you just go is awful.
Tasty. You want some, Valky?
Sure.
Ew! It's so juicy.
Oh my god, not the slur.
I'm gonna spin that fucking wheel.
Yeah, spin that wheel. Enjoy the 7 more pickles.
Morty.
Have a good one. Yeah, 7 spins, 7 pickles.
I'm gonna chug this fucking buzzball. I got me a fucking lime martini, baby. What do you mean it's been a time? It's been 1 week since it. Help me. I'm going to go eat some bland food to equal out all of my rancid, rotten food that I've eaten today. And I'm going to be spick and span tomorrow, so don't assume that I'm canceling streams. Say I was here right now. Help! Help! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me, please!